Do this, and you will become a profitable trader. George Soros mindset. Before you enter the markets, before you open a chart, before you place a single trade, there is one truth you must understand. Trading rewards the mind that is prepared and punishes the mind that is reactive. George Soros, one of the most profitable and strategic traders to ever live, understood this better than anyone. Today, his mindset becomes your roadmap. His philosophy becomes your foundation. His discipline becomes your power. This audio is your guide. Do this, and you will become a profitable trader. Take a breath. Relax your shoulders. Let the world fall silent. Let's begin. Section 1. Know yourself before you know the market. George Soros once said, "The market is a reflection of your mind." If your mind is chaotic, your trades will be chaotic. If your emotions are unstable, your results will be unstable. If your discipline is weak, your profits will disappear. Soros teaches us this. To trade well, you must first understand yourself, your patterns, your triggers, your fears, your impulses, your strengths, your weakness. Knowing the market is good. Understanding yourself is power. So the first step to becoming a profitable trader is not strategy, not indicators, not signals. It is self-awareness. Ask yourself, why do I enter trades too early? Why do I exit too late? Why do I revenge trade? Why do I fear risk? Why do I panic at drawdown? Silence these questions, and you silence your losses. Section 2. The trader who thinks clearly wins. Clearly, Soros didn't chase noise. He didn't chase trends. He didn't chase hype. He chased clarity. He believed, you cannot predict the market perfectly, but you can understand it better than most. And clarity begins with one action. Think independently. Not like the crowd. Not like the herd. Not like the noise on social media. Not like the emotional masses. Profitable traders don't follow the crowd. They read the crowd and act strategically. The moment you stop thinking like everyone else, you begin seeing opportunities no one else sees. This is how Soros made billions. This is how you will grow. Section 3. Accept you will be wrong. Before you are right, one of Soros' most powerful truths. It's not whether you're right or wrong, but how much money you make when you're right and how much you lose when you're wrong. This changes everything. Most traders cry when they're wrong. They panic. They doubt themselves. They freeze. They chase revenge trades. But profitable traders, Soros included, expect to be wrong. Mistakes are part of the process. Losses are part of the journey. Red days are part of the game. The difference? Profitable traders manage their losses. They learn quickly. They adjust instantly. They stay calm. If you want to become a profitable trader, remember this. Being wrong is not your problem. Staying wrong is. Cut fast. Cut clean. Move forward. Section 4. Master the art of calculated risk. George Soros was bold, but never careless. He mastered the skill of calculated risk. He understood that risk is not the enemy, fear is. He teaches you. You cannot grow without risk, but risk must be controlled. So do this. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Position size with intelligence. Define your stop before you enter. Let risk work for you, not against you. When you treat risk with respect, risk rewards you. This is how Soros achieved legendary trades, not from luck, but from disciplined, strategic risk-taking. Ask yourself, do I respect risk or do I fear it? Because your answer determines your future. Section 5. Watch the market like a psychologist, not a gambler. Soros viewed the market like a battlefield of human emotions. Fear, greed, panic, hope, euphoria, confusion. He believed in reflexivity, the idea that markets change based on how people feel. This is Soros' secret. The market moves because people do. Charts tell the story. Price reveals psychology. So he watched. Fear at support, greed at resistance, panic at breakouts, impulse in trends, hesitation in reversals. If you want to become a profitable trader, study psychology more than price. Study behavior more than indicators. Study people more than candles. Because every candle is the footprint of emotion. Section 6. Trust your analysis. An ACT with courage. Soros was not timid. He was not hesitant. He was not afraid to act. If his analysis was solid, he moved with conviction. He teaches you this. When your analysis is correct, trade boldly. This is why many traders fail. They analyze correctly, but doubt themselves. They see the setup, but hesitate. They predict the move, but freeze when it comes. Fear kills more trades than losses. When the signal is clean, when your strategy is aligned, when your plan is ready, act with courage. Act with clarity. Act with confidence. Soros believed, courage is not the absence of fear, it is the mastery of it. This is how profitable traders think. Section 7. Cut losses quickly, but let profits grow. This is Soros' signature habit, his billionaire habit. Cut losses fast. Let winners run. Most traders do the opposite. They cut their winners early. They hold their losers forever. Soros understood. A small loss is harmless, a small win is useless, a big win changes everything. So he rode his winners with patience and executed his losses with precision. Ask yourself, do I protect my capital? Do I let my trades breathe? Do I trust my winners? Do I respect my stops? Profit comes not from perfection, but from discipline. Section 8. You must think like a pro. Before you trade like one, George Soros didn't think like an amateur. He didn't act like one. He didn't react like one. He thought like a strategist. He acted like a professional. He traded like a master. To become a profitable trader, think deeply, act slowly, trade strategically, observe, quietly, execute clearly. This is the Soros mindset. Professionals think in probabilities. Amateurs think in predictions. Let that sink in. Traders who seek certainty lose. Traders who understand probabilities win. Your goal is not to be perfect. Your goal is to be consistent. Section 9. Mental toughness is your real capital. Money is not your trading capital. Strategy is not your trading capital. Indicators are not your trading capital. Your real capital, your real power, is mental toughness. George Soros thrived because he embraced uncertainty, he controlled emotion, he stayed rational under pressure, he accepted losses, he adapted quickly, he stayed flexible. This level of mental strength turns traders into champions. If you want to become a profitable trader, repeat this. I do not fear losses. I do not fear drawdown. I do not fear volatility. I control my mind. I control my reactions. I control my trades. This is how you rise. This is how you grow. This is how you win. Section 10. The final Soros principle. Adapt or lose. Soros understood the markets evolve. They shift. They transform. They always change. He taught, the markets are never wrong. Your interpretation might be. So you must stay flexible, stay open-minded, update your analysis, adjust your strategy, adapt to new conditions. A trader who cannot adapt cannot survive. But a trader who evolves becomes unstoppable. Closing. The Soros path to profitability. Take a breath. Now hear this clearly. Do these things, and you will become a profitable trader. Know yourself first. Think independently. Accept being wrong. Master risk. Watch psychology. Trust your analysis. Act with courage. Cut losses fast. Let profits grow. Stay mentally tough. Adapt constantly. This is the Soros way. This is the profitable way. This is the way forward. You are not here to trade emotionally. You are not here to chase noise. You are not here to gamble. You are here to grow. You are here to evolve. You are here to master the market by mastering yourself. Today, you take a new step. Today, you awaken the profitable trader within you. Today, your journey begins.